I think the use of AI in marketing to better connect with consumers and offer personalization is going to be the way forward for marketing. Where this goes is a question that I'm trying to answer for myself. So, not best equipped to perhaps provide an answer on a topic this wide ranging and this deep. But hopefully, in the next couple of years, it will become much clearer as to how AI will, bring changes about to the marketing. But AI is the area to look out for. So it's been a fantastic experience to interact with high achieving marketeers with different skill sets. I'm glad somebody like Dun and Bradstreet is taking the initiative to do a project of this kind. Uh, I hope to attend these forums in the future as well. So please keep organizing this forum. I think it's very key that we interact amongst ourselves and learn from each other now more than ever.